Welcome to Star Biker, your trusted channel for the latest motorcycle updates. Today, we're taking a quick and clear look at the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus, a bike that continues to define reliability and everyday efficiency. Design and styling. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus stays true to its iconic design while adding subtle modern touches. Refreshed graphics, improved paint quality, and clean body lines give it a familiar yet updated look that appeals to daily commuters. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 97.2 cubic centimeters engine, the Splendor Plus delivers smooth and consistent performance. The engine is tuned for city riding, offering easy acceleration, low vibration, and dependable power for everyday use. Mileage and efficiency. Fuel efficiency remains the strongest point of the 2026 Splendor Plus. With Hero's latest engine optimization, it offers excellent mileage, making it one of the most economical motorcycles in its segment. Comfort and ride quality. The bike features a comfortable upright riding posture, a well-cushioned seat, and a soft suspension setup. These elements work together to ensure a stress-free ride on both smooth roads and rough city streets. Features and safety. The 2026 model includes essential features such as a reliable braking system, improved instrument cluster readability, and Hero's trusted i3S technology for better fuel savings in traffic. Final thoughts. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus continues to be a smart choice for riders who value durability, low running costs, and everyday comfort. It proves once again why the Splendor name remains a benchmark in commuter motorcycles.